Today I want to share you CNC lathe programming for mazatrol. I think that very important, very significant for all of you to work on the program. You see this program that I share. This is the OD maximum, then a minimum in ID. If you work for CNC from this one to this one, this ID from this one to this one is OD. So you understand the protrusion, then the workplace be go take out the mazatrol. First step to take out IDs from this one to this one, OD from this one. Yes. If you write in the program the settings of plan data, we see the link TPR or convex arc and convex arc. If you want to work like this outside OD for mazatrol, you must prompt and has set is link to scribe a link parallel central workpiece from this one to this one, from set this one to one, the next H from this one do work with convex arc. From this one to work from the line, from this one to work to TPR line not parallel to center line of workplace. From this one to this one to work for convex arc. This one to the one to work line that are outside diameter. Inside diameter is very important, so you must to be from this one to this one, from this one to this one. So I want to share you about this because you can understand. So a minute, then this one from this one to this one to this one. So you can also just line from each these lines is a line parallel line. Do scribe each at the same, and set null. This do you want is the line from this one to this one to master convex. Then opposite mid set outside, diameter inside. From this one to this one is a line. From this one to this one to TPR line not parallel center of workplace. Tape line. From this one is convex arc. This is arc, then arc the line from this one the line. Do you understand about start point H, start point Z, finish H, finish Z, radian? I can explain you. This is mazatrol. We want to chip. We want to arbit. This is we take out Z and H. If you scribe the program, you must scribe from this point. Z take out Z compensation. Z competence at millimeter. You take out all, then Z null Z H, then Z option H from here. Start point from Z null, the Z finish Z H start point from here. This the end of the start point from H. Then here from this one is the radian. So I can share you all the material I want to share you. If you want work from this one, then from start point Z, the start point Z, the end of Z, from here end of Z, final Z, start point from H, the final point H. You understand the line, then TR, TPR, this one. So I can, this one, if you want to work like this, you must understand about the Z line, and then outside you see this one. Outside is the convex and radian. Then inside, then a convex and a radian. Then I mentioned about to understand about this. I can share you about more and more all program. Then I can. Thank you for watching.